No, 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 no.
Hello guys, tap new project then input the video. So this is our video, this is the effect. You can check the description and download it. Hope you like my simple tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up. If you don't like my video, just give me a thumbs down. So this is the video guys, and then after this one we will adjust the video and split. So we will split this portion guys. Click the video then split. So wait a minute, and then adjust a little, then split this portion again, then delete the video, the photo. So delete this portion and then input your photo. So it's up to you guys if you want to put this one or it's your photo, put your photo. And then we will check, and then I think it's good enough, it's better than this portion again. So just give me a thumbs up guys, or leave a comment in this video, and then delete, then add another photo. So this is our photo, and adjust a little, and we will check if it is okay or not. Let's play the video. I think it is good enough. We'll adjust a little. So hope you like this simple tutorial guys, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up. So see you in my next tutorial.